Hi, my name is Pradeep, one of our student Bhavana. Yes. She has got offered in a software company in software testing domain. So she will share her experience, how was the training in QSpiders Rajajinagar and what effort she has put which helped her to get job. Yeah, Bhavana.
Yes, sir. My name is Bhavana. So I completed my electronics and communication engineering in RR Institute of Technology. So later on, I joined the QSpiders through incubation batch. So where I've gained a lot of experience in hands-on experience in manual and automation testing. So starting manual testing, my manual class was taken by Gowtham Sir and Pradeep Sir, and then coming to SQL was taken by Vinod Sir, and Java was taken by Tejas Sir. So after completion my Java, I'm joined for Selenium class, which was under Rahul Sir and Revan Sir. So in manual class, Gautam Sir guidance was very much helpful to crack the interviews, and have a have gone through like 7 to 8 interviews through QSpiders itself. So all the questions were repeated, like regression testing and retesting and smoke testing, everything, and also the real-time scenarios about my projects. So I have done 2 major projects in QSpiders, which is one Shopper Stack and Cuban. So through that, and also the internship which was done by Jeevan sir. So through that, they have asked the real-time scenarios and real-time questions, and we have explained all the things which was guidance by Pradeep sir and Gautam sir. And coming to Java, Tejas was very specific about the tracing of the program, so which was helped to understand the logic of that program. So and coming to Selenium was handled by Rahul sir and Revan sir, where the OOPS concept, which is coming from Java, that was helpful to in the Selenium understanding, and all the frameworks, that is TestNG and POM, that was helpful to crack the interview. So they said to write an script using the TestNG frameworks. So I wrote a sample program. So that was impressed by them. So coming to SQL, they have given two or three queries of correlated and also the joins. So I have explained the queries. So that was helpful by Vinod sir. So and by doing boot camp, so boot camp was very helpful to I have to improve my communication skills. So for that, I have done boot camps in like 2 hours studying and 1 hour boot camp doing the boot camp. So that was very helpful to improve my communication skills and also my attitude and confidence level. So that boost my interview cracking.
Total, how many interviews you attended?
Total like 7 interviews, sir.
Being from ECE background, did you feel tough to learn the subject?
No, sir. Starting, I felt tough like 1 month or 10 days or 2 days. So after that, I cope up with the Java thing and manual thing. So that was very helpful, sir.
What is your suggestion for juniors? What do you say to get job? What we should do?
So just hard work, pure hard work, and luck will come if you does hard work. So pure hard work, you have to do boot camp and you have to present the things. Don't bunk the classes. To do boot camp and listen the classes very carefully and answer them. You have to notify to the trainers. You have to notice them. So then they will give opportunities. If you don't notice, they will give opportunities. But you have to notice them. I mean, if they ask questions, you have to voluntarily raise the hands and tell the answers.
Congrats, all the very best.
Thank you, sir.